Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Credit Score Simulator in Credit Karma detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Credit Karma, first, visit their website or open the mobile app. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once you've entered your details, you may be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Credit Karma. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Next, log in to your newly created account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Credit Score Simulator feature. Click on the Credit Score Simulator option. You may receive information about how the simulator works. Read through the details to understand its purpose. Select the type of change you want to simulate, such as paying down debt or opening a new credit card. Input the necessary information for your chosen scenario. For instance, if you're paying off debt, enter the amount you plan to pay down. Once you've filled in the information, click on the Simulate button. The simulator will then analyze your input and provide projected credit score changes. Review the results and see how different actions affect your score. You can experiment with multiple scenarios to compare outcomes. Make sure to take notes on the changes that interest you most. Once you're satisfied with your simulations, you can return to the dashboard. Explore other features Credit Karma offers to improve your financial health. Use this knowledge to make informed decisions about your credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.